Hi friends, this video shows how to fix issue not able to allow install app from unknown source. Let me try to install this app that I downloaded from internet. Try to give access. See here I am not able to allow install apps from unknown source, that permission for this file manager app. See, it's stuck. I am not able to allow this permission. I will show you how to fix this issue. Go to settings, select all settings from top right corner, go to system, go to about, go down, set Android TV OS build. Here we need to press OK button or select button on the remote 7 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. See the message, you are now a developer. Go back. Now under system we can find new option called developer options. That's all. Just enable developer options. After that, let me go back to home screen, then again open this file manager app and explorer, then again try to install this downloaded app, try to give permission. See, this time I can change permission. Let me allow this file manager app to install app from unknown sources. Enable, then go back to file manager, then again try to install that same app. Let me install this. Select it, APK. See, now I can install. Select install. Done. Completed. Let me open this installed app. Accept. Done. So this way we can fix that issue. Please try this. Just enable developer options. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.